Bright Machines is a software and robotics company that provides a full-stack solution to building the AI backbone.
At Bright Machines, we develop Smart Skills. Smart Skills are our unique technology that powers our robots' 3D navigation and machine learning inspection capabilities. Unlike traditional automation, which operates in 2 dimensions, our navigation operates in 3 dimensions. To do this, we build a 3D model using an NPI, or New Product Introduction process. We've also developed machine learning algorithms that power our visual inspection capabilities. Our 3D navigation technology allows us to take high-resolution images and focus on specific regions of interest. Such cases include debris detection or identifying whether or not the latches are open and closed on our boards, and we're also able to detect things like security tampering, which is very important for our customers. Using our Smart Skills technology, we can process a brand new server or SKU in less than 4 hours and able to process multiple products on the same microfactory assembly line with essentially 0 changeover time.
We were founded in 2018 with the goal of transforming manufacturing.